Distinguished candidates, registration for UTME into Nigerian tertiary institutions begins January 14th to 14th February 2023.
Candidates must check their eligibility before commencing registration, scanning the QR code provided by JAMB for the e-brochure and e-syllabus.
Each candidate must create a profile using only one phone number.
To generate the profile code, simply send your NIN by SMS to either 55019 or 66019. A profile code of 10 characters is received by the candidate, which is presented to purchase the UTME/DE e-pin. Candidates can buy the e-pins from the banks or the vending agents through their e-wallets. Registration fee, inclusive of all relevant charges, is 6,700 naira with mock exam or 5,700 naira without mock exam. Candidates are not to pay any other fee at the CBT Center, as the fee stated is consolidated.
Do not give your password to any person, not even JAMB.
Direct entry registration costs 4,700 naira and starts 20th February to 20th April 2023.
In the event of any error during registration, seek correction from JAMB.
For more details, check jamb.gov.ng. JAMB, enhancing academic excellence.